You're welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to be making this steamed condensed milk cake. So now I'll be adding my melted butter, eggs, and after which we are going to mix this thoroughly. With this recipe, if you don't have a stand mixer or a hand mixer, you have nothing to worry about. Just your whisk or your spatula, you are good to go, and your cake will come out so nice. And now I'll be adding in the condensed milk, after which I'll be adding in the vanilla. Thank you very much for stopping by. I really appreciate. To my old subscribers, you guys are the best, like the best. And if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, you're very much welcome. A big hug to you, and please do not hesitate to subscribe so you can join this family. I really appreciate it. Please do not forget to like this video. So now I'm going to add in the flour, cornstarch, baking powder, and salt. So now I'll just be sifting all the dried ingredients into this. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, and if there are recipes you would like me to show you, please let me know and I'll gladly do that if I can. You can also send me a message on my Instagram handle. I'll put the link down in the description box below also. So we're going to mix this batter until everything is well mixed there are no lumps in it. So after this, I'm going to be transferring this into my already greased baking pan. At this point, the water we are going to use to steam this batter should be boiling. Note, we are going to transfer this into a boiling water. So I'm going to steam this cake or batter without a steamer. So for those that don't have a steamer pot, you have nothing to worry about. I'm just going to show you how you're going to steam this if you don't have a steamer pot. So I'm going to cover the batter with some foil and I'll transfer it into my already boiling water. It's been 45 minutes since this cake has been on fire, so I'm going to insert a clean toothpick to see if this cake is well cooked. And as you can see, the water in this pot has completely dried up. I just realized that as I opened the pot. I just came to check and I realized it's dried up, but yeah, that's fine. It didn't affect the cake, and we're going to allow this cake to rest for like 10 minutes and I'll bring it out from the pan. Will you say I haven't shown you something beautiful today? Yes, I have. Yes, you have seen it today. I've shown you one. So please try this recipe and let me know what you think about this recipe, about this cake. And this cake is so fluffy and soft, and yes, you can also bake this cake and it will also come out good. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video, and please let me know if you tried out this recipe. Stay safe till I see you guys next time. Love you all. Bye.